Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Oneplus Nord Mobile Phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to hit gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic cut pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. First, take out the mainboard frame by undoing 11 screws, and then lift the protector cover using a pry tool. Take out the protector cover and disconnect the battery plug on the left hand side. Next, take out the battery by loosening the tapes and pulling it by the red tab. Next, move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws for taking out the secondary PCB cover. Next, to take out the secondary board, start disconnecting the LCD plug, 2 antennas, right ribbon cable, center ribbon cable, and fingerprint bracket connector. And then undo the screw to take out the secondary board. Next, move the protective tape under the battery to the left hand side to remove the flex cables. Also, do not forget loosening the adhesive strip on the edge before stripping the flex cables out. Next, take out the broken left ribbon cable, which is the charging port flex cable. Next, replace the new charging port flex cable and place it on the board. Next, place the adhesive strip on edge and move back the protective tape. Next, place the secondary board by adding the screw. Next, connect two antennas, LCD plug, left ribbon cable, center ribbon cable and fingerprint bracket connector. Next, place the secondary board frame by adding 7 screws. Next, place the battery and paste the adhesive back. Make sure to connect the battery plug and place the logic board frame by adding 11 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in 2 tightened rubber bands to bond the back cover with the frame. Leave it for some time. On the other hand, you can use screen binding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.